Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. I'm here to do another family recipe. And this morning we're going to do hush puppies. And this is one, but I have two more recipes that I like too. And we'll try to post them for you sometimes. 1½ cups of flour, that's self-rising. And we've got 1 cup of meal, and I use the self-rising meal. We got 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese. And next we use baking powder. Now you know baking powder is going to make these things puff up a little more. That's the reason we use that. So 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs. I'm not going to beat them. That is a double yolk. I don't think that'll hurt though. That one does too. Oh dear. I hope that doesn't make too much liquid in it. If it does, all you gotta do is add your little flour. We got 1 onion chopped up we put in it, a cup of beer. You can use any kind you want to. And for you people that don't drink, you know, the heat will take that alcohol out of it. The beer has a little yeast in it and will help these things rise up a little too. Now we need a consistency, or you can drop that by spoonfuls into the oil, and that looks a little bit thin to me. I'm going to add a little bit more flour to that. That's about 1/4 cup. That ought to do it. You want it, when you put it in the oil, it won't scatter and run all over the pan. You need it in a little ball. Let's see. I think that's going to do it. We will check this a little bit and see what the oil done. We have it set on 350. And I think that's ready. I better take that out though. We don't want that floating all around. Okay, we're going to drop these by spoonfuls in here. I like to use this kind of pan because you can get the heat regulated a little better, I think. I'm going to have to stop and get these turned over. Here, they're going to get too brown. Our first ones we put in, they're ready to take out. We're going to put them on some paper towels. You know, I like to eat these with tomatoes and okra. Now our hush puppies are finished, and they look like they cooked real well. So I hope you try this, and I hope you enjoy it. It's a family recipe that we enjoy, and I hope to see you on another video. Thank you.